Ever wondered what gives the Geico Gecko his undeniably cool charisma? Let's unravel the secret behind the Geico Gecko's iconic charm, specifically his famous accent, in a step-by-step guide. First off, let's establish the basics. The gecko's accent is a crucial part of his character. It's not just about promoting car insurance. It's about delivering the message with flair. Step 2. The accent itself. It's generally accepted that the Geico Gecko boasts a British accent, and it is often described as a Cockney accent, but it's not just any British accent. It's one carefully crafted to be memorable and amusing. To get technical, a Cockney accent is a British regional accent. Thirdly, did you know the accent isn't always exactly the same? The nuances can shift depending on the voice actor behind the gecko. Since there have been a few over the years, the gecko's voice has evolved, but the British essence consistently remains. Now for the fourth and almost final step, why is the accent so effective? This accent adds personality and a certain level of sophistication that helps him stand out. It's a subtle blend of humor and approachability that makes the gecko so likable. Appreciating the accent truly enhances the appeal of the character, making us remember him with every ad. So next time you see the gecko, pay attention to that brilliant British accent, and you'll gain a greater appreciation for his enduring charm.